Hello, everyone. My name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, September 27th. Time is around 6 GMT, and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the Oanda platform. So, not much has changed actually for the FTSE. So, we are still waiting here on some kind of move. So we know that this is playing out as a WXY in red secondary scenario, or as an A B excuse me, ABC structure, corrective upward structure. So in case of the ABC, we still need this fifth wave up here. Then this is still possible, I would say. Like we are still in wave four, in the wave four area. Nothing has been violated here in recent hours and days. So yeah, now we might have an interesting situation here. Like it looks like we are testing this RSI cycle trend line, and so if we break this one, then we might be starting here the wave five to the upside. But then it means we also should break this RSI trend line here, and we should end here with divergence. So this is something to look at today. If we make a new high here, then I think this is a nice short opportunity. From here, yeah, it might be a bit dangerous, as we can go. It can play out as for the downside, but yeah, we can have upside as well. It's not really clear what we will do from here. Like I can give you, like, in the 1 hour. Suppose that we have an WXY structure, so ABC high is in here. Then I put it here in an alternative or a path, how the move downward might play out. So then I think the move downward, let's say it goes also as an ABC. That would mean we need an impulse here. Then we could have a wave one here, a wave two. This is the wave three. We are now doing like a wave four. Then we have a wave five here ending with divergence. Then the wave A is in. Then we could have a move up again as a wave B, and then a C wave down into this area. So this would be the path, I believe, if this high is holding here, which should be the case in the secondary scenario. But yeah, today we have to see if we get this fifth wave up here or not. And a good indication will be here what exactly is happening here with this trend line. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.